Let us understand the uses of the OTP verification, CAPTCHA, and printable panel components. During form creation, navigate to the Custom Components section where you will find these components. As we have already discussed these components in the form creation video, let us now explore them in more detail. First, drag and drop the OTP verification component into the form design area. Once the component is added, navigate to the OTP configuration tab to configure the OTP settings based on your requirements. First, select the OTP delivery method. This option determines how the one-time password will be sent to the user. For example, you can choose email or SMS to send the OTP to the user's email address or mobile. Next, select the OTP intent or purpose. This defines the purpose of the OTP verification process. For example, selecting login will use the OTP verification for user authentication during login. After selecting the intent, choose the appropriate OTP template from the drop-down list. The selected template will be used to generate and send the OTP notification to the user. In the Template Parameters section, provide the dynamic values required by the selected template. For example, you can pass values such as username, user ID, or any other parameters required by the email template in JSON format. If OTP verification is mandatory, enable the required checkbox. This ensures that users must complete the OTP verification process before submitting the form. On the right side, you can see the Preview panel. The preview displays how the OTP verification component will appear to the end user. Users will enter their email address and click the Send OTP button to receive the verification code. Once the configuration is completed, click Save to add the OTP verification component to the form. You can also click Cancel to discard the changes or remove to delete the component from the form. Now, let us understand how to configure the CAPTCHA component. Drag and drop the CAPTCHA component from the Custom Components section into the Form Design area. Once the component is added, navigate to the CAPTCHA Settings tab. First, let us look at the CAPTCHA option Math, Word, Word plus Number. Select Math as the CAPTCHA type. In this mode, users will be presented with a simple mathematical expression such as addition or subtraction, and they must enter the correct answer to proceed. Like this, you can select the word plus number. You can enable the case-sensitive option if required and use the Show Refresh button option to allow users to generate a new CAPTCHA. The Preview section displays how the CAPTCHA will appear to the end user. After configuring the required CAPTCHA type and settings, click Save to add the CAPTCHA component to the form. The CAPTCHA component helps prevent automated submissions and ensures that form entries are submitted by genuine users. Now, let us understand the printable panel component. This component is used to generate a printable version of the form, allowing users to easily print the form data when required. First, drag and drop the printable panel component into the form design area. Once the component is added, navigate to the Print Settings tab. Here, you can enable the Show Print button option. When this option is enabled, a print button will be displayed in the form preview, allowing users to print the form directly. You can also provide a print section label based on your business requirements. This label will be displayed for the printable section of the form. After configuring the required settings, click the Save button to save the configuration.